Folks, how are you doing? It's Carl here again, and I'm back with the second installment of the repair job I've done to this Marshall Valvestate 8020 20 watt solid state amp. If you remember from the first video when I picked it up, it was in fairly rough shape. As you can see, it's changed. I don't have the original knobs yet as they haven't come in on order, but they will be replaced. On opening the amp up, I found it in a bit of a shit state. Just really had to do a small bit of soldering on a couple of the loose or cold solders, I should say, I found on some of the capacitors. I did do a bit of work on the pots, basically just flushing them out with some contact cleaner, and just gave it an overall clean up, and it's been working fantastic. As you know, it only cost me €10. Not a bad find, but it looks like it was out of a skip. It was fucking in a bad way. Looks like water had got into it too, but I was able to salvage everything. As you can hear, it's sounding well. I'll give you a run through the drive channel on it. Oh, that's pop. Great, really is. For €10, you know, it's hard to come across something like that. And that Marshall grit sounded great. That's the game. Master volume. Give you a little run to the reverb on it. There's a little reverb tank inside it. That's nice.